Meaning of civil. The word civil has several related meanings, commonly used in the following ways. 1. Related to citizens or the state, example, civil rights, civil law. 2. Polite and respectful behavior, example, be civil even during disagreement. 3. Non-military or non-religious, example, civil marriage. 10 example sentences with civil. 1. Every citizen is protected under civil law. 2. He remained civil even though he was angry. 3. Civil rights are basic rights of all individuals. 4. The dispute will be settled in a civil court. 5. They had a civil conversation despite their differences. 6. She works for the civil services. 7. A civil marriage doesn't require a religious ceremony. 8. Civil engineers design roads, bridges, and buildings. 9. Freedom of speech is a civil liberty. 10. Please be civil and don't shout in public.